Hello everybody, this is Michael and Shirley coming to you live from CRAFTEX. Today we're going to do something a little different, a little unusual. We wanted to show off something that is trending here with us at the store, and more people are asking for this sort of item. It's actually mood moss. It comes in little clumps.
They kind of look like those caterpillars that are going crazy right now.
Beautiful moss.
They are absolutely gorgeous.
And it's actually glycerin preserved, and it has a very soft and delicate feel to it. And this is what people are wanting. And what are people doing with this? Well, they're actually doing things of this nature, where they're actually doing moss bowls. I don't know if the camera shows that off very well, but using natural containers. Here's a small little miniature bowl. These make cute little accents just to maybe set on a table, on a shelf, maybe a little platform of somewhere. And again, this is just something that's trending. And of course, if you have any questions, please let us know. And what else is going on, Shirley?
We just have so many things. Our grand reopening of the Christmas showroom is going to be on June the 29th.
That's right, and that's a Saturday. So that is a day full of all kinds of events. We open at 9 o'clock and that'll be going on until we close. So I think our first program starts at 9 o'clock in the morning. Our last program will start at about 5 o'clock. And we have all kinds of interesting things happening. The media will be here. I believe 99.1 is going to be here. One of their DJs is going to be here helping out with the announcements and kind of acting as MC throughout the day. We'll be serving food, of course. We're going to be having different guest designers from all over town.
Some really great guest designers, yes. We're excited about that.
That are all floral people, that are all creative people, ribbon people as well. So if you want to see more Christmas and learn a little bit more about Christmas design for all of you Christmas enthusiasts, come on by. You're welcome to stay all day. We will be publishing a schedule very soon that's going to showcase who's coming, what time they're going to be going on. So if you want to arrange your schedule to accommodate those people that are presenting, please do.
We're going to have all sorts of stuff happening towards the end of the remainder of the year.
Yes.
And we're going to have some really great workshops as well coming up.
Yes.
So please stay tuned for that at CRAFTEX.com. And you'll see a lot of our DIYs on the Facebook page, our Instagram, our socials. And yeah, sure, come on and watch us do what we love to do.
Yes. Okay, so again, mood moss. And how have we adhered this onto the bowls?
We use the styrofoam first. So in this case, we have a client that asks us to use one of her containers. So we have that here, and we do the moss. We start out with the styrofoam. We cut it out to the shape and kind of compact it in, and we've glued all the pieces together. So it's basically just kind of clumping, doing, just kind of placing with your glue stick and your glue gun, or if you have those hop hands that we use, those are really great and popular. So you just start kind of clumping around. Very simple process, just glue and stick, basically.
And no need to really pin this down. The glue actually is probably the best way of going about doing this. And it's a very fast process, or it can be a fast process.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna
it comes in a really big box right now. It's very fresh. We just got these in. They come in, if you can show them the box, and the cost on that is like $150, is it?
Yes.
So it's $150 to get the whole package.
Case full of moss.
And so you just kind of start slowly clumping it around, and you want to always try to hide your foam, of course.
How much comes in that box?
In terms of ounces, I'm not sure what that is, quite honestly. That's a very good question, Matthew. Does it tell us? It tells us
Premium green mood moss.
2.75 pounds.
Comes in pounds.
What color would you call that?
Moss green.
Moss
I would say it's more of a basil green, but
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's just a matter of filling in the gaps, and you can either do this sporadically or just kind of fill in like what we're doing here. I put one in the very middle, this is on here, and we can just fill that in. I'm going to give you some here.
Yes, that'd be great.
What other kind of mosses do we provide here?
We have, of course, the sheet moss. The sheet moss, which is very
The
similar.
most popular.
Yes, it's the most popular, and that's just basically used for coverage when you're making floral arrangements to hide your mechanics, hide the foam and whatnot, but which is just thin sheets of moss. We also have the reindeer moss, which comes in different colors, which are little bitty clumps, and they're very soft to the touch. Those are also glycerin preserved as well. We also
Lychee?
have the lichen. Lichen or lichen.
Leek, yeah, there's all sorts of ways people say it.
Pronunciations, yes.
Yes.
And we also have the Spanish moss from Spain. No, this is Spanish moss that falls off the trees here in town or all over the place if you're in the south like we are.
One box seems to have a lot.
Yes.
Yes,
2.5
it goes
pounds.
really a long way. Here you go, Michael. It's beautiful. It's, you know, less is more nowadays. People are just kind of wanting to do that minimalist look. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's very classy. It stands the test of time, I guess, if
Yes,
you will.
It does.
It doesn't go out of style, really.
You know, and a lot of people who don't like to have or bother with silk flowers and whatnot, you know, not everybody has to have silk flowers in their home. Maybe you just want to do something like this. It's a very simple little treatment.
They just want to be reminded of the outdoors.
Where would you put something like this?
I think this is actually going on a counter space in a kitchen. So they have a very large island, and I think they just want to bring in a little green, a little natural element, bringing a little bit of the outdoors in.
There you go.
I'll give this to you.
Okay.
I'm going to keep handing
I
it
love how
over.
this bunches up.
Yes, it that's a certain look. Yeah, just the clumpiness of it all. It's really popular. Is this one of your favorite mosses, Michael?
I love this, quite honestly, and it is fun to just touch and feel or run your fingers through.
It is. It's so fresh. It feels still like it's outside. It
Yes,
really
yes.
does. I could put my feet on it. I love it when I watch the designers, get excited over things, and this is definitely one of them. I see you all get so excited when we get these in, and then we can't keep them in stock. Honestly, we sell as soon as we get them. We sell out. It's the craziest thing. So, if you guys want some, make sure you call it in and see if we have it. And if we sell out, we'll just be a little bit of waiting time before we get it.
I'm just kind of filling in the little spots here and there, little naked spots.
There's some right there. And if you wanted it to be dome-like, you can always use the styrofoam underneath. Maybe do like a 1-inch. This was a 3-inch that we used. Maybe you could apply another 1-inch and then dome it. You kind of shave it. What we do, we shave it with another styrofoam piece, and it, that's the way you can get it to where you want. But if that's something that you're looking forward to do that, then you can do so.
And I'm just sort of separating the spaces a little bit. I'm trying to create a little bit of that domed effect here in the center where you have different plateaus and ridges and hills and valleys, and it's just beautiful. Anyway, so this is our little presentation today on what's trending. And of course, this is a container, client's container, filled with mood moss. So that's what it looks like.
Nice and heavy.
Yes, beautiful. All right. And of course, look on our calendar of events to see what our next class is going to be about. And then, of course, our open house, which is June 29th, Saturday. So please look us up. Thank you.